What if the reason she only sees you as a friend isn't because you're not attractive? What if it's because you've been showing her the wrong version of yourself? Most men think they need clever lines, mind games, or fake confidence to make a woman interested. But the Stoics taught something completely different. They believed the strongest man never chases approval. He becomes so valuable that people naturally notice him. Today, you'll discover 7 Stoic principles that can change how a female friend sees you, without manipulation, without pretending to be someone you're not, and without losing your self-respect. Let's begin. 1. Stop trying to impress her. Here's the first mistake. Many men constantly try to prove they're funny, helpful, or always available. They think the more they give, the more she'll like them. But people don't value what is always available. Marcus Aurelius reminded us that your worth doesn't come from another person's opinion. When you stop trying to impress her, something changes. You become relaxed, confident, authentic, and that's far more attractive than trying too hard. 2. Build a life that doesn't depend on her. A Stoic man has purpose. His happiness doesn't depend on one person texting back. He has goals. He exercises. He learns. He grows. When your life becomes meaningful, people naturally become curious about you. Ironically, the less your world revolves around her, the more interesting you become. Purpose creates attraction. Neediness destroys it. 3. Set healthy boundaries. Being kind doesn't mean saying yes to everything. If you're always canceling your plans for her, always solving her problems, always waiting for her attention, you're teaching her that your time has little value. Stoicism teaches self-respect. Respect your own schedule. Respect your own peace. The people who value themselves often receive more respect from others. 4. Speak honestly. Many men hide how they feel because they're afraid of rejection. Instead, they pretend they're just friends, while secretly hoping she'll notice them. That's exhausting. Stoic doesn't play games. If the friendship naturally reaches that point, be honest. Not dramatic, not desperate, simply honest. Whatever her answer is, accept it with dignity. Real confidence isn't controlling the outcome, it's accepting it. 5. Become more mysterious by talking less. You don't need to tell her everything. Some men fill every silence because they're nervous. Stoicism values thoughtful speech. Listen more. Speak with intention. Silence often creates curiosity. People remember those who make them feel heard, not those who never stop talking. Confidence is usually quiet. Insecurity is often loud. 6. Improve yourself every day. Nothing changes attraction more than consistent self-improvement. Take care of your body. Improve your communication. Dress well. Read books. Develop skills. Build confidence through action. The goal isn't to make her like you. The goal is to become a man you're proud to be. If she notices, that's a bonus. If she doesn't, you've still become stronger. That's a victory. 7. Be ready to walk away. This is the hardest lesson. Sometimes she simply doesn't see you romantically. And that's okay. A Stoic understands that not everything is under his control. You cannot force attraction. You cannot negotiate feelings. But you can choose your response. If staying close only causes pain, have the courage to step back. Protect your peace. The right person will never require you to beg for affection. Remember this. The goal is not to make someone fall for you. The goal is to become a man whose confidence, discipline, and character naturally attract the right people. As Epictetus taught, focus only on what you can control. Your actions, your mindset, your character. Everything else will take care of itself. If this message helped you, leave a comment with the word Stoic. Subscribe for more lessons on masculine strength, confidence, and timeless Stoic wisdom. Until next time, stay calm, stay disciplined, and let your character speak louder than your words.